Right before the pandemic went into full swing earlier this year, I was at Costco. I'm rarely at Costco, but I was at Costco and I got this Sonicare. It was 2 brushes with extra heads and it cost me about $150. I was not thrilled with paying that, but it had been about almost a year since I'd been at the dentist, and the complications of getting down there from where I live now and just having bought my house, I thought maybe I should just be able to do better dental care at home. So I sprung for it. And I also went ahead and got extra brushes, which were about $50. And I haven't even broken into these yet because I still have the brushes that came with the original set. So I was $200 in to this expensive home dental care set. So as I mentioned a few minutes ago, I hadn't been to the dentist in about a year. I was going about every 3 months because I had a lot of plaque and for cleanings. And the cleanings, I think, I have some dental insurance, so we're looking at about $150 a cleaning, something like that. So $600 a year, not including cavities or anything like that, just the cleanings. So I made an appointment for myself in March to get my teeth cleaned and kind of get back on track again with that. And the whole California shut down for the coronavirus like a week before my appointment. So I canceled it. The pandemic went on and more time went by with not going to the dentist. A year had gone by, then pretty soon it's like a year and several months, and by the time I got an appointment, it was early October. So it had been a good year and a half, and I'm a person who usually goes every 3 months. So I was a little nervous about what they would find with my teeth, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, what if I have to have root planing, or what, expensive and painful and all sorts of stuff. So let me tell you what happened. So since I got the equipment in March, I've been using it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, and hoping for the best. So I went to the dentist when the hygienist finished. And again, a year and a half since my last cleaning. He told me, he said, I looked at your chart, and even though you're going every 3 months, they were, previous hygienists were writing about how bad your teeth were. And he said, from what I can see doing your cleaning, it's been a year and a half and your teeth look pretty darn good. Imagine my surprise. So I did make another appointment for 3 months from now, and we're going to see how my teeth are doing at that point. And if my teeth continue to do as well as they've done, I might be able to go on every 4-month schedule, and then maybe every 6-month schedule. So that's going to save me a boatload of money if I don't need to have my teeth cleaned every 3 months, and I can bring it down to 3 times a year or twice a year. And so I figured that, my toothbrush and those little replacement brushes will have amply paid for themselves even in the first year, plus prevent whatever complications can come when you just have a lot of plaque. So my advice to you is sometimes you gotta put a little money up front to save a little money or a lot of money later. And I sure was glad that I had made this investment. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.